Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and today we're gonna be doing makeup. I'm also gonna be announcing the winner for the mirror, and I'm also gonna be introducing a new product for another giveaway. I already did my brows, so I'm gonna start off by applying some of my Tarte concealer. This is a white concealer onto my eyelid, and this is gonna be the base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer, and depending on what I'm doing in parts of this video, I'm gonna be speeding up some parts of it just so we could get through it faster. Now for my transitioning color, I'm going to be using my bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. I like to use bronzer most of the time for my transitioning color just because it blends well with my nose contour and wherever else I add bronzer on my face. Today I'm going to be going for a blue eyeshadow look, and so I'm going to be using this palette by Blend Bunny Cosmetic, and the reason why I'm using this one is because it has a lot of bright pigmented color in there. I'm going to start off with this dark brown right here, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye right on top of my transitioning color and blend it all the way out to my nose. Next I'm gonna go in with this blue right here, and after that I'm gonna go in with this one, but I'm supposed to be cutting my crease first before I add the blue, and it was like somewhere here when I realized that I didn't do that, and I stopped and started doing the cut crease. So let's do the cut crease first before the blue. Now we can add the blues. I lost the footage of me adding a lighter shade of blue, but never there. We're gonna move on to white. The blue that I added after the first blue was right next to it and in between the white, so I apologize about that, but it's really not that hard. Just blend that blue right there in the middle and you got this. Next I'm gonna go in and apply some lashes, and this one I believe I bought it on AliExpress or Shein, one of those websites. Next I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using my Garnier serum cream. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal True Match, and it's in the shade Caramel Beige W7. And I'm gonna be using my wet beauty sponge to blend it out. Next I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this one that I'm adding directly under my eye is from Tarte Cosmetic, and the second one I'm using is by Too Faced. It's their multi-sculpting concealer. I'm using two different concealers just because one is lighter than the other, and I usually like to use the lighter one directly under my eyes. Now I'm going in with contour, and this one is by Fenty Beauty, and I'm adding it on my face so I could blend it out while the concealer sits and dry down a little bit. I'm using the same sponge that I used to blend out my foundation for my contour. Now I'm blending out my concealer, and I'm using the same sponge as I use for my foundation, but I'm using another side on it. Now I'm gonna go in and set my concealer using my Huda Beauty setting powder. And after I set my concealer, I like to go over my entire face with whatever is left on the brush and just set everything. Now I'm going in with my bronzer again to warm up parts of my face. I'm gonna go in with my translucent setting powder and just bake under my eyes a little bit just to brighten it up some. Now I'm using the same contour powder as before to contour my nose just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this powder on my face with my sponge, just pushing it into my skin. Next, this is something that I like to do after I apply most of my face makeup. I'm gonna be using my matte skin finish and just apply this all over my face. So I use this because it gives my face a really soft look, you know, like say certain places that I didn't blend out, you know, as good as I should with when I'm, you know, applying the makeup. This just smooth it out for me. Next, I'm gonna go in with highlighter, and I think this might be one of my shimmer eyeshadow I'm using because I can't seem to find my highlighter nowhere. Next up, I'm gonna apply my lip pencil, and this one is called Smile. I believe I got it in a set on Amazon. After I apply the lip liner, I'm using a brush to blend it out. Now I'm gonna apply my lipstick. It's from NYX Cosmetic, and I believe this one is called Tokyo. On top of the lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. I like to do this because I like to brighten up the middle part of my lip. And the last thing I'm gonna go ahead and add to my lip is some lip gloss because I want it to look real shiny, real glossy. Lastly, to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some setting spray, and this one is by Maven Beauty. Now that I'm all done with the face, I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair down and change my outfit. But wait, first I have to tell y'all something. So guys, I forgot to show y'all what we have for this giveaway for this video, and this is what it is. I just decided, why not just make this video and insert it anyway, because this makeup look, everything is for a different video, of course. But anyway, this is what I have to give away for this video. It's a tripod, and most of these things that I'm giving away, I do have a TikTok video on, you know, how it look, what it do, all of that stuff. I have a TikTok video for it already. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be giving away. So here is the question for this: what month is my birthday? Very easy, right? Anyway, that's the question. Let's see who get it right, and depending on how many people get it right, it's probably gonna be a raffle for the winner, not who answer first. You know what I mean? So good luck. And here's the finished look, you guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I just thought I'll make a video doing a blue eyeshadow, and that's what I did. As you can see in the clip that I just posted right before this, I was wearing purple eyeshadow, so that's gonna be the next video, so definitely look out for it. The winner for the PMD makeup mirror from the last giveaway will be down below in the description box, so check that out. As usual, thank you so much for watching my video. Please leave a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and thank you again guys so much for tuning in. See you in the next one. Bye.